What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new LED license plate lights for your 2019 and newer Ram 1500.
Our LED license plate lights are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be more than 12 times brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just want better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance lighting upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2019 and newer Ram 1500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we offer. Let's get into it.
We are now underneath the bumper. You can do this on either side, but we're showing you now on the driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to be removing this light right here. So to start, we need to unplug this connector, push down on the tab on top, and then remove the connector. Now, using a 10mm, remove the bolt on the back. And now all we need to do is just push it out from the body. And now, since we're doing this on the driver's side of the vehicle, we're going to be using our new Boost Auto light marked L. So right next to where you actually thread the bolt in, there's going to be a little marking that says L or R, depending on side, driver being left, passenger being right. So just a quick note, when you're doing this on the passenger side and you're going to go to remove the light, there's not enough room. All you have to do is just lift up on the trailer wiring connector, and it actually gives you enough room to remove the light. So remember, we're on the driver's side. We're going to be using the light marked L. We're just going to pop this into the bumper, just like that. And now we can thread in that 10mm that we took out earlier, and making sure that it lines up in the spot where it's supposed to be, we can go ahead and tighten that down. Now, with that bolt tightened up, all we have to do is just plug in the factory connector.
Go ahead and repeat all the same steps on the passenger side.
All right, guys, and that's a wrap. We just finished installing our new LED license plate lights. And if you like that and you want to see what else we have to offer, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.